Welcome to Party Slayers with La Push. It's all about the groove culture, baby. The partying, the dancing, the slaying, the so on. Gisha namakutsumela phakathi. Welcome back to Party Slayers. We're still at the Ndawo. It's an event of life after 40. I'm with my beautiful sisters. They're gonna tell us how is life after 40. My sister, how are you? What's your name?
Yes, from Portia.
My sister?
Hi, my name is Dede.
Lady. So I want to know, how is life after 40?
Oh, Mamela, life after 40, agumnandi.
Okay.
Okay, I feel good everything begins at 40. Life after 40, like, we looking at our kids, stressa, and then life after 40, it's where we relieve our stress.
Okay.
It's where we feel ukuthi kulamele sehlise inkinga zethu sikhotha ngabantwana sikhotha ngama-uniform and stuff. So life after 40, it's where we relieve.
I'm learning. I'm reaching 40. I'm learning.
You should.
I'm learning. When you phetha kanjani life after 40?
Fabulous.
Which means I enjoy it.
Yes, too much. And maungathi uyabheka vele la abantu aba 40 plus
Yeah.
akunama 2000 and we enjoying.
How's the music?
Umusic wethu. Kahle vele yinto esifunayo. Remember when we go now mangathi ngiye hang out kudlala isijokojoko. Kuzobe kuqala ipiano, kuqala into. Nasifunde manje we listen to what we want. Nothing asifuna ukuphula amaqolo. Remember guys, phuza amapilisi. Ama-arthritis, ama-painamol kuningi. So le life after 40 accommodate thina.
Yeah.
Ukuthi singa-stress, singaphula amaqolo, sidlale music right for us.
I mean, I'm happy. I'm reaching 40 by the way. But ngiyabona ukuthi after 40 kusho ukuthi ngizoba happy.
There yet.
I'm not there yet.
Okay.
Mara ngiyabona.
When we are there, uzo-attend ama-session wethu that you'll enjoy.
I'm definitely gonna enjoy.
And remember, Tali,
Yeah.
when you reach 40, probably unomntwana ona 18, unomntwana ona 20, angeke uzuhambe kulama event wabantwana. So the concept in life after 40 ukuthi thina we still wanna hang out with our age group.
Yeah.
Mamela, I just met my high school friend, Clement. I've been in 20 years. So that's the concept. Let's just gather together with high school. Like, okay, life is not about good school samantwana. Sibaliki and stress. Mamela, to be here, kathela ukuze ubana vula ifridge, valana umnyango. You understand? We here to relieve stress. We here to
Socialize in down.
Yes.
I am glad. This is Party Slayers with La Push. Please like, share, and subscribe. Lay left after 40. Last is oyenza so. Hey,
I was 20 something. When I was 20 something, long time ago.
Yes.
Almost 50 now.
Yeah.
I want to say, guys, love yourself. It doesn't matter who's on the photo or not. Love yourself and make sure, guys, who's sponsor kahle. It's in your figure photo. If mama who's to write, if mama who's to write together. This person look 40 or 40. I mean, I'm not 49, but you won't say. Yes, who's better?
I mean, I sang for 40 guys.
47. 47. It's life after 40. We happy. Asibe mnandi sidlaleni. Sinabazukulu asifuna abazukulu bazosiphatha stress. We here to relieve our stress.
Exactly. Love you. This is Party Stars with La Push.
Thank you.
Yeah,